Today, cloud-based video surveillance is the standard for enterprise security. Omdia predicts that half of the US VMS market will be cloud-based in just 2 years. And by 2027, 70% of large enterprises will use cloud to improve business processes. With hybrid work, growing compliance requirements, and businesses operating across more locations than ever, on-premises systems are falling behind. First, scalability and multi-site management. You need a platform that's going to let you manage thousands of cameras across dozens or even hundreds of sites, all from one dashboard. Next, security and compliance. That means end-to-end encryption, role-based permissions, and support for certifications like SOC 2, ISO 27001, and GDPR. AI analytics is also important. Object detection, license plate recognition, people counting, these features help speed up investigations and improve operational efficiency. The best AI is useful, reliable, and easy to understand. Finally, flexible storage. Whether you need 30 days or 10 years, your platform should scale with your needs. In fact, nearly a third of Videoloft customers now choose retention plans over 90 days. Videoloft is built for enterprise scale, without the enterprise price tag. It works with your existing cameras and gives you centralized control, secure cloud storage, and smart AA features, all in one easy-to-use platform. Verkada offers an all-in-one experience with proprietary hardware. It's a solid foundation for organizations starting fresh, but they specialize in their own cameras which require full infrastructure replacement and come with a higher total cost of ownership. Eagle Eye Networks brings advanced customization and integrations. It's a good fit for enterprises with strong IT teams and complex needs, but it can prove to be expensive. Arcules from Milestone is ideal for businesses already in the Milestone ecosystem. It blends cloud-first features with hybrid capabilities. Moving to the cloud is no longer optional. It's essential for businesses looking to scale securely and efficiently. And in our opinion, Videoloft offers the best mix of flexibility, scalability, and affordability.